Group theory and its applications in molecular spectroscopy. Symmetry elements. Symmetry elements are mirror planes, axis of rotation, center of inversions, etc. A molecule has a given symmetry element if the operations leaves the molecule appearing as if nothing has changed. Types of molecular symmetry elements. Rotational symmetry elements, it represented by Cn, a line passing through the molecules about which the molecules can be rotated such that the molecule shows indistinguishable configurations. Principal rotational axis, highest order rotation axis passing through more number of atoms or bond. Plane of symmetry, it represented by sigma, a plane that bisects a molecule into two halves such that one half of the molecule is exactly mirror image of others. Types of plane of symmetry. Vertical plane of symmetry, it represented by sigma b, a plane containing principal rotational axis. Horizontal plane of symmetry, it represented by sigma h, a plane perpendicular to the principal rotational axis. Diagonal plane of symmetry, it represented by sigma d, a plane bisect the angle between two consecutive similar C2 axes or sigma v plane. Symmetry operations. The operations in which the atom or group of a molecule are moved about a point or reflect in a plane or rotate about a line passing through a molecule to give an indistinguishable configurations are called symmetry operations. Identity. All molecules have identity. These operations leaves the entire molecule unchanged. A highly asymmetrical molecule such as a tetrahedral carbon with 4 different groups attached has only identity and no other symmetry elements. Mirror plane. The reflection of the water molecule in either of its two mirror planes results in a molecule that looks unchanged. The subscript B in sigma B indicate a vertical plane of symmetry. These indicate that the mirror plane include the principal axis of rotation. Inversions. The inversion operation projects each atom through center of inversion and across the other side of the molecules. Improper rotation. An improper rotation is rotation followed by reflection in the plane perpendicular to the axis of rotations. Water and ammonia both belong to the CNV classes of molecule. These have vertical plane of reflection but no horizontal plane. The DNH groups have a horizontal plane in additional to vertical plane. Many inorganic complexes belong to these symmetry groups. Fine groups. Highly symmetrical molecule such as identically substituted tetrahedral carbon or octahedral belongs to the one point group. Character table. The symmetry properties of each point groups are summarized in a character table. The character table lists all of the symmetry elements of the group along with a complete set of irreducible representation. Characters of +1 indicate that has basic function is unchanged by the symmetry operation. Characters of -1 indicate that the basic function is reversed by the symmetry operation. Characters of 0 indicate that the basic function undergoes a more complicated unchanged. An A representation indicate that the functions are symmetry with respect to rotation about the principal axis of rotation. B representations are asymmetric with respect to rotation about the principal axis. E representations are doubly degenerated. T representations are triply degenerated. Subscript U and G indicate asymmetric or symmetric with respect to center of inversions. Applications of group theory. Predicting polarity of the molecule, chirality of the molecule, orbital used in sigma bonds, determine the symmetry of properties of all molecular motions like rotation, translational and vibrations. Group theory can be used to predict which molecular vibrations will be seen in the infrared or Raman spectra. Thank you.